Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello everyone, my name is Tehzeeb Khan. Today I will try to make video in English. It is first time for me. I hope you like this and I hope you support it. So here this video all about this MOSFET IC and this MOSFET IC used for switching application and amplification applications, but here I am using for switching applications. If you know about relay, you can also use for switching per application with relay, but in relay and they have two format, means you can connect DC and AC load with relay, but you cannot connect AC load with this IC. This IC is IRF Z44 IC. You cannot connect AC load, you can connect only with DC load. Uh, and one question is coming in mind. What is the difference between this MOSFET and other MOSFET and transistor? And the basic difference between transistor and MOSFET is a transistor used for a smaller application, means if you want to play a small current and voltage, you need to play with the transistor. If you want to play with large current and voltage, you need to use the MOSFET IC and not this IC. You can use another IC, you can also use this IC. So here you can see is one register is this register is used for pull down register. Pull down and pull up register is a basic concept or necessary concept of basic electronics, which is used commonly used in electronics circuits, which is control leakage current in IC. So here I have a multimeter which is measuring how much current is going to my gate pin, you can say signal pin, uh, or you can calculate, or you can measure how much minimum current is required for operate this MOSFET IC. I was calculated, I think 28 to 30 milliampere is needed for operate this IC, this MOSFET IC. Here I have set up. Here is I have a 12 volt DC motor, 12 volt with 30 ampere power supply. Here is a charger I am using as a power supply. Here is multimeter for measuring my current to this gate IC, sorry, gate pin. So here this motor is running as a switching. If I remove this signal pin, you can see this motor is not working right now, because this signal piece is not plug in this signal, gate IC, gate pin. When I am connecting this gate pin to this signal pin, you can see this motor is working. You can uh, draw this diagram and you can understand what is happening here. So thank you so much. This video is first time for me. If you like it, and please like.